Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Indara Mawati and today I will talk about scaffolding. What comes to your mind when you heard the word scaffolding? Is it that? No, we are not going to talk about that kind of scaffolding, but we are going to talk about scaffolding in education or instructional scaffolding. To give you a good explanation about this material, I have read a lot of articles about this topic, so I hope that you find this video helpful. So let's get started. The term scaffolding is related to zone of proximal development because scaffolding is happened in CBT. Scaffolding is a process when a teacher or more capable peer assists the learners in ZPT when it is necessary. The amount of assistance will gradually decrease when the learners can do the task by themselves. There are two characteristics of scaffolding. The first one, scaffolding must be adapted to the student's current performance. It should be the same level as the students or slightly above it. Second one, scaffolding is fading, so the responsibility of the task or project is gradually transferred to the students and the role of teacher is decreased. There are 6 main types of scaffolding. The first one is modeling. It means giving a model. So, giving a model to the students is really important. Students need to be given a clear example of what is requested of them for imitation. The second one is bridging. Students will not be able to learn new concepts or language if these are not firmly built on their previous knowledge and understandings. A common bridging approach is to activate students' prior knowledge. At the beginning of a new topic, the teacher may ask her class to collaborate to fill out a 2-column anticipatory guide, with one column for what students know about the topic and the other for the question about the topic that they are interested in answering. Another aspect of bridging is connecting or establishing a personal link between the students and the subject matter, showing how new material is relevant to the student's life. Another way of bridging is asking the students about the new material that will be introduced, asking their personal experience about the topic. So the third one is contextualizing. So the main problem of textbook is not only because the language is academic but also its lack of context. Giving the context to the students will help them to understand more about the topic, so the teacher can give them a visual realization, such as pictures, videos, maybe a film, or maybe a relia or something else to give them the context. Next, schema or clusters of meaning that are interconnected. Schema are how we organize knowledge and understanding. So the example, in preparation for a reading assignment, a teacher may ask the students to preview the text, nothing heads and subheads, illustrations and their captions, titles of charts, etc. In this way, students begin their reading with a general sense of the topic and its organization, with their schema already activated and ready to accept new connections. Representing text. So teachers invite the students to begin the appropriation of new language is by engaging them in activities that require the transformation of linguistic constructions they found modeled in one genre into forms used in another genre. So, and then we will move to the example of representing. So, the teacher asks the students to read news about accident happened in the street. And then the students will divide it into groups, and in a groups of 4 they will discuss about what they have already read before. Maybe the students are not all know the structure and the words in the news, but they will at least know the sequence, and they will know the main issue of what they have already read before, and they will discuss about it, and they will be asked to make uh, a role play about this news, about the news. Before they perform the role play, of course they will make the script. In groups, they will discuss about the script. Here, the more capable peer will help the less capable person or students. And then they will make the script together, discuss it, and then each of the students are write the script, and they will practice the role play. After they practice the role play, they will perform it in front of the class. At the end of the session, students are not only understand much better about the accident happened in the streets, but also they will learn new language, written it, and even practiced and performed it. Next, or the last one, is developing metacognition. Metacognition has been defined as the ability to monitor one's current level of understanding and decide when it is not adequate. Developing metacognition can be done by the teacher by asking the students to read, to summarize, to write, to ask questions, and so on. Finally, we are at the end of my explanation about scaffolding. So, scaffolding is the process which the teacher or more competent peer assists the learners or the students when it is necessary. So, there are 2 characteristics of scaffolding. The first one is it should be adapted to the student's current performance, and the second one is fading. And then there are 6 main types of scaffolding. The first one is modeling, the second one is preaching, the third one is contextualizing, the fourth one building schema, and the fifth one is representing text, and the last one is developing metacognition. So that's all my explanation about scaffolding, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, because I will upload a lot of videos about education or education strategies or so on. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!